Hey y'all, hey, it's Brittany Britannia 718 and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see weekly videos from me. Quite often I get asked a lot of questions about how are my edges so full, what can I do to give advice for those who are experiencing thinning edges, and things like that. So I'm just here to give you a few tips as to what you can do to help regain your edges. All right, okay girl. Now you want to consider a couple of things. Are you pulling your locks too tightly into a style? Are you on certain medications that may cause your hair to thin? Are you stressed? Because stress is a bitch and a half. Are you pregnant? Do you just give birth? Because I've heard a lot of women, they've experienced postpartum shedding. So, that's something to consider as well. And what type of products are you using on your hair? Are you using too much black gel, like things like that, like beeswax, all of that? What are you using in your hair? Because those products can be wreaking havoc on your hair as well. So I would say that if you are noticing that the area of your hair is real soft and smooth to the touch, you may be experiencing alopecia. And for that, I would suggest, seeking the advice of a medical professional, because that ain't me. All right. So just really quickly, a couple of things that you can do to either prevent thinning edges or to regrow your edges, because they're starting to be thin like 45s here, and you don't want no thin ass hair like that. Okay. No. Try not to pull your hair too tightly in styles. Like even in the style I have now, it's not pulling hair at all at my temples. It's so like I can't even feel that it's like that my hair is pulled back in a sense. If you do like your hair in a ponytail, just make sure like you don't pull your edges tightly into that ponytail, because I don't know how people do it, because that's uncomfortable for me. If you like using like black gel or beeswax, I mean, okay, I guess. But maybe try using flaxseed gel. My girl Locs has a video on how to make your own flaxseed gel, and it's really good in her hair. So I will leave the link to her video down below. Take a look at it. It's natural. Try it. It may work better for you. Okay. Then there's good old wild growth oil. I'll, put up a picture somewhere around here so you guys can see what it looks like. That is pretty good, and it helps to stimulate your hair as well. And then good old castor oil, like Jamaican black castor oil and even regular castor oil. It's good for your lashes too, and it's also good for your brow. You're not gonna find it in Sally's, okay? Not that kind of beauty supply store. You need to go to like a regular mom and pop beauty supply store. When you use these oils, don't just slap it on there and call it a day. No, you want to take time and massage it into your edges, right? Massage, like that's the massaging motion right here. Get it? Do that a couple of times a week. I would say maybe like 3 times a week, and then you should see some progress. Keep it simple. Like stop trying to do too much to your hair, you guys. Like I keep trying to tell you, you want to do too much and you really shouldn't. Just let your hair be, and then it'll thank you for it. Okay. Anyhow, if you have any other tips that I may have forgotten or things to suggest to help other people reclaim their edges, please leave it down below. Anywho guys, you know where to find me. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I'm barely on Snapchat, so Instagram is really where to find me. Be sure to thumbs up the video. Tell your mama and them I said to subscribe. And I'll see y'all soon. Later.